The no matter what warranty is really the promise to the customers that they can be confident that the product that we've built for them will meet every one of their expectations with regards to durability, sustainability, and performance.
The no matter what warranty is what it says. We fix it or replace it no matter what.
People have had their gear for a long time, and instead of just throwing the bag in the trash or replacing it, we take pride in repairing their bag and continuing that story.
Here at Eagle Creek, we really have the unique opportunity of having our repair center in-house. More than 80% of the bags that come into our repair center get repaired and returned to their owners in a few weeks, sometimes a few days. It's actually pretty rare when we have to replace the bag.
Not only is the warranty good for our customers, it's good for the planet as well. If we can fix the bag, it goes back to the customer, but if we have to replace it, we can use those parts to repair other bags.
Our repair team is really a big part of the design family around here. They inform the quality assurance team as well as the design and development team what's working well, what's failing, and what needs improvement.
One of the things I think that people don't realize is how good our no matter what warranty is. I think we're one of the best in the business, and we stand behind our product.